What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Adil here with Milky Tech, and today we're unboxing and taking a look at the MacBook Pro 16. Let's get this done. A fan reached out to me asking me what is a good MacBook for their school usage. Now, there are two variants out there, one with M1 chip and one with the Intel chips. Now, I suggested that we go for the Intel variant. This way we cut out any incompatibilities. Yes, the M1 is faster in optimized applications, but running x86 programming, it is actually slower in most cases. And we need the most compatibility and best speed overall, so we went with the Intel variant. So let's go over the packaging. In the front, we have a beautiful laptop. And the back, we have some specs over here. And I'm very excited to unbox this. Let's get it done. You don't need a knife. You just have a tab over here. And pull it. And it just comes off. This is my first Apple unboxing in a while. And their unboxing experience tends to be top-notch. Let's open it up. Alright, we're first greeted with the laptop. And we'll take a look at it later. Ooh. That feels nice. So we have a USB Type-C cord, and it's super long, so you could get almost anywhere to charge your laptop. And here we have our Designed by Apple in California. And over here we should have our stickers. First we have here is a brochure showing you all the basic parts to this laptop. A little safety sheet, and stickers. Since we went with space gray, they gave us space gray colored stickers. Next we have our power brick, and it is a 100-watt power brick. And it's pretty hefty. Let me show you guys a little trick here. If you to pull this out, you can put an extension cord over here. This is a beautiful machine. It really is. In the front we have our Apple logo. So on this side we have two USB Type-C Thunderbolt ports. On the other side we have two more USB Type-C Thunderbolt ports and a 3.5 millimeter combo jack for your audio and microphone. Over here we have a giant glass trackpad that feels really nice. A keyboard that they finally went back to the old scissor switches. About 4 years ago, Apple switched their keyboards to butterfly switches because of their short travel space. It allows them to make the laptops thinner, but they had such a high failure rate that 3 years later, when this was released in 2019, they went to a scissor switch, which is a more traditional switch on a laptop, and you have a better typing experience and better longevity. Another difference between the MacBook Pro 15 and this MacBook Pro 16 is they finally brought back the escape key. It used to be a virtual key on this touch bar over here. Now it's an actual physical key, which is, I think, is better. And over here on this side, you still have your Touch ID sensor, and that's also your power button, but it's not part of the touch bar. So that's another, it makes it easier to use. And on the side, we have two front-facing speakers, which what I like personally in a laptop, you tend to have a better audio experience. And according to them, the audio experience on this laptop is really, really good. So I'm kind of excited to test that out. Let's remove this little... And here is the 16-inch display. Let's turn it on. It did. What's nice about having 4 Thunderbolt port is you could charge the laptop with any port. And it is alive. Now, personally, I'm a PC user. Personally, I do not like the Mac ecosystem. I find it very limiting. But if you need a laptop that just works when you want it to work, Mac is a way to go. And they're beautiful. As you can see, this beautiful unibody design. Alright, so let's do a setup. And we are in Afghanistan. Nope, United States. Perfect. And we got to connect to the land of milk and honey. So as you can see, the setup process is very simple. We're going to transfer information. I will set up the Apple ID later. Of course, you got to read all your terms and conditions and agree to all your terms and conditions. Nobody does that. Now that we have the laptop set up, I want to test one last thing. Let's test the quality of the webcam and the microphone. So let's do a little handoff. We're going from our current setup to the mic and webcam of the laptop. As you can see, the quality is okay. I mean, it's a very bright room right now, and you can see a lot of granularity. It's to be expected from a 720p webcam. As we can see, the webcam quality is not that great, but the sound quality is pretty awesome. I kind of like that. It sounds almost like a studio mic, and they claim that it is equivalent to a studio quality mic. Overall, the laptop display is pretty bright. The colors look very vibrant. It's pretty nice. Overall, this laptop is pretty cool. I like the display. The keyboard upgrade is awesome. Now, you're not going to have as much failure rate with the new switches versus the older butterfly style switches. The speaker quality is nice. The microphone quality is great. Honestly, there's only a couple of things that I see, a couple of cons I see with this laptop. One is the webcam. I wish it was a higher quality webcam. And two, the price. It is an expensive laptop. There's no doubt about it. It's a Mac. But it is a beautiful laptop. And now to announce the winner of our $100 giveaway. Shout out to Alico Media. I'm going to be reaching out to you. And congratulations on winning your $100. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. Smash that like so you get notified when I release my next video. If you have a comment, suggestion, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.